Hello patrons, today we're talking about how to stay relaxed and yet stay focused. I know that a lot of times that you're trying to be focused so hard that you're uptight and you're nervous and you're tense and you're anxious. I want you to be relaxed and focused. It's a state of grace, and that's what I want you to be in. So think about the things that you have to do today. Look at your planner. Release your tension and only look at the next thing. I know I want you to glance down the whole thing and get an idea because you're not a baby and you need to know what's happening, but I want you to just focus on the next thing. So use your planner as a tool and do the next thing. And when you're doing it, stay focused. If you allow yourself to wander into different areas, you won't get your work done and you'll stay frustrated and anxious. So stay focused, but stay relaxed. Remember that there is a beauty to the way we do things in Flylady. And the beauty is that it's baby steps. And you don't have to worry about what's going to happen in the next hour. You have a plan for it and you release it. It's the same way as when you see stuff in the corner or you see a pile on a desk or a dresser and it's not in your plan for right now, and you say to it, I see you and I have a plan for you. It's the same thing for the plans in your book. When you get to the plan, if it's not the next one, say, I see you, I've got you planned, but we're doing this right now. You are the alpha, you are in charge. You are the one who's centered and peaceful and full of grace, right? So you're going to be able to do this in a way that makes you calm, and in consequence, the whole house is calm. The family calms down a little bit. And whether everyone is nuts around you or not, you're still full of grace. So when all around you is tossing and turning, you're going to just be at peace. Be at peace to know that these are the things that we're doing. See that little light on my nose? I'm Rudolph. That's coming through the blinds. But anyway, don't be distracted, Kat. Okay, all right, so we're going to stay focused and do the next thing. Okay? Okay, it's that easy. What else can I tell you about this? What else can I say? I want it for you so badly, and I know you can do this. I know you can. So if you're feeling frustrated and you feel like you have too much on your plate, take some off. Your insides are telling you you've got too much on there. If all you can handle is routines today, all you can do is all you can do. Do your routines. If you feel that you can do a little more, do a little more. If you don't, if you're emotionally exhausted, cut yourself some slack. Give yourself some grace. This is not going to be, the principal of the school isn't coming into your house to give you check marks and stars if you do it or you don't do it. Okay, just you. Don't be so tough on yourself. You know, we are our toughest bosses. We really are. So, and that's fine. You know, it's good to hold yourself accountable. But sometimes, especially in the holiday seasons, when there's a lot demanded just because it is that season, not necessarily of other people, just because it's things you want to do, then take a little off your plate. It's okay. It is. All right? There's a really good trick, and that's called straightening up. Straightening up. And I'm talking about your environment. Just straighten it up a little bit. You don't have to go put things away. You don't have to clean things or dust things or wax things or polish things or vacuum things. You don't have to. Just straighten up. It'll look a whole lot better. You know, if you look around and you say, well, golly, there's laundry on the couch. Well, straighten up by taking that to the laundry room. Maybe fold the throw that's on the corner. Those little touches make all the difference. Straighten the pillows. Straighten the kids' toys if you keep them in there. Straighten things up. That will be helpful. Okay, that's it for today. I want you to remember to stay focused and stay relaxed. And always remember to be beautiful, because you are beautiful.